Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a multi-language store on Shopify. Now firstly, open the Shopify website on your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're on the website, click on the Add App option at the bottom. Now scroll down and go to Shopify App Store. Now once you're in the Shopify App Store, search for language. And here you will come across all the language apps that offer integration with Shopify. Now scroll down and select T-Lab, AI Language Translator. Now click on Add App. Once you click on Add App, it will lead you to the page where you can integrate it with your Shopify store. Just click on Install App. Now click on Configure Languages. And from here, you can add the multiple different languages that you want your store to show. And that would be it. You can try many different languages as you want. Hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.